Welcome to my video. My name is Harshal and this is Computer Network Lab experiment number 8, configuration of dynamic routing OSPF. So in this experiment we will see what is OSPF, and we will do the configuration of topology and see the output from the shortest path. So let's begin the video. So OSPF stands for open shortest path first. So it is a protocol that is belongs to IP, means in the dynamic routing, and it supports VLSM, means that is from variable length subnet mask, and CIDR, that is classless interdomain routing. So that it supports both of them, and it has wildcard mask, that is but when we give the subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0, but the opposite that will come, that is 0.0.0.255, so that is known as wildcard mask, and from that we will get the open shortest path first when we configure the routing. So here how to configure when we give the IP address to the router and all. So next we will give router OSPF 10. So this is the address, and next this is the network, and this is the network. So this part is known as wildcard mask, and this is area 0. So here we will give the like this order, and earlier for the RIP version 1 and RIP version 2 we give the network address only, and when we give this we will get the output, but here we have to give the wildcard mask, and then we will get the output for the sending from the shortest path. So we will go now to the topology. So this is the topology. So now we will give this here end devices IP, and we will give the router's IP, and then we will configure. So first, this is the first 72.16.1.2 define 172.16.1.1. Okay, so this configuration is done. Next, to this PC 172.16.2.2, here it will come to 55 1. This is here. So for third one, 192.168.1, sorry, 1.2, 192.168.1.1. So the configuration for end device is done. So next we will go to the routers and we will give IP. This is router 1, enable config terminal, host, that is router 1, interface, that is first Ethernet 00, IP address 172.16.1.1.255.255.250.0, no shutdown. So the port is changed to up. Next interface, that is 20, IP address, that is 172.16.3.1, 255.255.255.252, that is the subnet mask. No clock rate, no shutdown. So the port is up now. Interface here 3,0 IP address. So what is the IP here? That is 192.168.10.5, 255.255.255.252. No lock rate, no shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done. Next we will move to the second router. enable con config terminal host, that is router 2, interface fast Ethernet 00, IP address 172.16.2.155.255.255.255.2.0. No shutdown. The port is turned up. Next, interface 2,0, IP address 172.16.3.0, 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. So this port is turned up. Interface serial 6,0, IP address 192.168.10.9, 255.255.255.252. Clock rate, no shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done here. Next, we will move to router 3. Enable config terminal. First Ethernet 00, 00, IP address 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So this port is turned up here. Next, interface serial 6,6/0, IP address 192.168.10.10 255.255.252. No shutdown. So this port is turned up. 3,0, IP address 192.168.10.6, 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay. So all IP configuration is done here. So next we will go and check whether the packet is going or not. So here to here we see it is showing failed. From here to here it is showing failed. So now we have to give the shortest path for the router, so that from here to here it will go through the network. So we will go here in router 1, exit. Here we will type config terminal here. So do show IP route. So this is the IP route, router OSPF 10 network, that is 172.16. See here 1.0 is connected, 16.1.0, 0.0.0.255, area 0. So here you can see first that is connected, 172.16.1.0 is connected, and here this is known as wildcard mask, and this is area 0. Next we will go and give this, that is 3, and next 192.168.10.4. So here all three configuration is done here. Okay, so we will move to router 2. So this is the IP route here, router OSPF 10 network, that is 172.16.2.0, 0.0.0.255, area 0. Next here connected is 3.0, and here 192.168.10.8. Okay, so this configuration is done here. Next to router 3. So this is the IP router OSPF 10 network, that is 192.168.10.0. The first is 1.0.0.0.0.2, area 0. First is 1.0, next is 10.4 and 10.8. Okay, so all configuration is done here. So let's check from first PC to router the ping is going. So here you can see it is going successfully. From this PC to router it is going successful. From this PC to router it is going successful. Now from this to this it will go or not. First it will go from this to this. From this to this it will go successfully. From this to this it will go successful. So it will find the shortest path, means either it can go from here to here, from here to here, from this also it can come from here, it can come from here, it can go from here also, it can go from here also. So this is the OSPF of the experiment number 8. So this was experiment number 8, configuration of dynamic routing OSPF. Thanks for watching my video.